You ever wonder if there's a secret weapon in the world of healthy eating? I'm talking about a food combo that's simple, affordable, and packed with goodness. Enter brown rice and beans. Now I know what you're thinking. Aren't those just basic pantry staples? Exactly. But here's the thing. When you put them together, something magical happens. Brown rice gives you long-lasting energy with its complex carbs and fiber, while beans bring in plant-based protein, iron, and even more fiber. But the real magic is in their teamwork. See, plant proteins are sometimes missing one or two building blocks called amino acids. Beans have lots of one, but not enough of another. Brown rice has what beans are missing. So together, they form a complete protein, meaning your body gets everything it needs to build muscle, boost metabolism, and feel full longer. And guess what? This combo is super versatile. I love tossing brown rice and black beans with a squeeze of lime, chopped tomatoes, and a bit of avocado for a quick, nourishing meal. Sometimes I'll swap in chickpeas, or add a sprinkle of spices for a totally new vibe. So, next time you're meal prepping, remember, brown rice and beans aren't just budget-friendly, they're a health power duo. Give it a try, and let your body thank you with every delicious bite.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more healthy diets tips.